Hey Tarni, have you heard about DreamZone's Anigra Digital Art Festival?
No, I haven't. What's that about?
Yeah, it's an online competition for graphic design, animation, and short film enthusiasts. And they are gonna give prize pool for 2 lakhs with an extra 50K for best creators. And if you win, you will get an exclusive visit to the ABIA Center of Excellence in Bangalore.
Wow, that sounds amazing. When it's happening?
The event is already started on June 15th, but we have the date till July 31st. So you need to submit your entries by then. And the registration is also free.
That sounds perfect. But what's the age group for this to participate, or do we have any criteria? And I'm not in college anymore.
Good question. It's targeted at ninth grade students to college students across India.
Oh, that's a bummer. And I'm out of range. I was really excited when you're telling.
Yeah, it's unfortunate, but you can share it with your friends and your design community. Maybe this can be helpful for someone else, right?
Oh, that's a great idea. I think I know a few of the younger designers who would love to participate in this. I'll definitely spread the word.
That's awesome. Just because you cannot participate doesn't mean that you can't help others shine, right? And who knows, there will be another opportunity for you soon as well.
And I'll keep an eye out. Meanwhile, let's help others to get their shot at this one.
Exactly. Good luck with spreading the word, Tarni. I'll see you soon.
Thank you, sister. You are the best.
Hope you all overheard the conversation. Don't miss out the opportunity. We have the time date till July 31st. You can also be one of that talented designers to win this. Don't worry about anything else. The registration is free. Check out the caption for registration link and other details, and all the best.